I started my journey on Webskitters Academy to become a full stack developer. Here, teachers helped me a lot for becoming a developer. So when I first started the class, here the atmosphere was very friendly. They have very good technologies and smart rooms for better understanding and visually expressing the thoughts, which really helped me a lot. Hello everyone, my name is Sayantan. I am a BA graduate student and I also have an experience as a school teacher. So due to ongoing interest in the field of IT and becoming a full stack web developer, I searched on the internet about which will be the best company for me to guide me for my becoming a full stack developer. So at that time I found Webskitters Academy, and after that I contacted them. And after that they also contacted me. They have guided me which will be the best course for me to becoming a full stack web developer. And after that I started my journey on Webskitters Academy to become a full stack developer. Here teachers helped me a lot for becoming a developer. So when I first started the class, here the atmosphere was very friendly and they have very good technologies and smart rooms for better understanding and visually expressing the thoughts how we should develop a real life project. And they have very good industry standards so that we can understand and build our own live projects, and that is very good to me. Here I worked on many demo projects. I also built an full stack web development for an e-commerce website. So for that I have used various tools which I learned from here. For example, I have learned React.js for front-end development and MongoDB Express and Node.js for the back-end development, which really helped me a lot. So overall my journey was very smooth and I'm working on a reputed company as a full stack web developer. I am thanking Webskitters Academy for this enormous guidance. Right now I will thank every part of the Webskitters Academy, from the placement team to the teachers and the faculty members, all of them.